Hey y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to replace a Keyfob battery on a 2017 BMW X3. So pretty much, I normally like to pop out the key on the BMWs because it's just easier. You see this little, it's like a little tab right here. So what I do, I pop the key out and I just get right to this tab here and I just push on it. See? Pops right out. It uses a 2450. A few months ago, when the keys went missing. When the key went missing, yeah.
With the bullshit.
2450, and there you go. Replacing the key fob on a 2017 BMW. Simple.